As I mentioned in the intro video, there are 5 big modules in this course. They represent the 5 big types of data sources that you can use to get raw data. These are real-life datasets, APIs, randomly generated artificial datasets, web scraping, and of course, open datasets. Now, how do these modules build up? After creating all modules, I realized that the real-life datasets and the randomly generated datasets modules are very similar to each other. In these, I give you direct access, basically direct URLs to my datasets that are located on my servers. And so for each of these datasets, I list 3 things: the structure of the data, how to get the data, and random project and analysis ideas. Let me go through one by one. So for this simpler dogs and cats artificial dataset, I show what's in the dataset, I show a sample from the data, a few lines from the data, and then the data files and their structure. So I make it very clear what's in the data, what means what, and so on. Then, of course, in the next lecture, I show you how to get the data. This is basically URLs, command line commands. If you have automation for these projects, then automation scripts, so everything you need to download the data to your server or computer. And of course, in the next lecture, I show you a few ideas about what you can analyze in these datasets. These are just my ideas, but feel free to use this as a source of inspiration and work on your ideas. But if you don't have any for a start, you can use these. So these are the real-life and randomly generated datasets. The other 2 big modules, the APIs and the web scraping modules, are also very similar to each other. In these 2 modules, you will see tutorials that teach you how to use the given concepts, APIs or web scraping. And in the APIs module, for instance, we have 4 full tutorials right now: Coinbase, Open Weather, Yahoo Finance, and Twitter. And so for the Coinbase API, for instance, of course, you have the full tutorial video, which is 60 minutes. In this case, it shows the coding part, the API part. So I explain everything. And next to the video, you will get all the Jupyter notebooks that you will see in my tutorial videos, so you can instantly rerun my code. And of course, in these modules too, I will list a few analyses and project IDs. And then the 5th module is just a list of open datasets, nothing special. But one more thing, as I created this course, I realized that I wanted a few more bonus lectures. So in some modules, I talk about how to automate the data load, or for the randomly generated datasets, I show you the Jupyter notebooks that I use to generate these datasets. I show you how to upload your datasets to a server. I give you a cron tab tutorial. I show you how to automate the API data load. So many bonus lectures. Also, I will likely add more and more bonuses to the course over time, probably new data sources and Q&A sections and so on. Point is, everything I put into this course is focused on one thing: to help you get access to as much raw data as possible, as easily as possible. So that's it. This is the course curriculum. Now you can go ahead and discover it by yourself.